Birds. Look at the tree outside your window. You will find many birds. Children, let us try to learn about them. Peacock. This beautiful bird is known as peacock. It has beautiful colored tail feathers. Children, you will often find this bird in the zoo. And do you know, this is our national bird. Pigeon. This bird is known as pigeon. Children, you will often find this bird in and around the trees of your neighborhood. Vulture. This bird is known as vulture. It is a medium to large-sized bird, and do you know, children, this bird eats dead animals. Parrot. This bird is known as parrot. Children, can you identify the color of this bird? Yes, this bird is green in color and it has beautiful red-colored beak. Owl. This bird is known as owl. It is a small-sized bird, and do you know, this bird does not sleep at night. Eagle. This bird is known as eagle. It is a very large-sized bird